Been doing a lot of berry picking this summer, and I needed something to make it more efficient. I was using a bowl in one hand, but I found an old strawberry container, repurposed it, punched a hole in each corner with a nail, and then using two pieces of string, made kind of a hanger that can hang around my neck. And they're of different lengths, so they can have balance, so that it's balanced out in horizontal. And I found this to be very useful. I'm in my berry patch right now, but I also take this out into wild patches, do some picking there too, because I do love raspberries and black raspberries. Thanks for watching.